My name is Eugenio Saller. I'm the Managing Director of Boehlerit Brazil. We are located in São Paulo, in a very rich industrial area of Brazil. This collaboration started almost 7 years ago. URMA was searching for a partner in Brazil. They searched for some alternatives. They found us with some recommendation of other partners, and we started working together. The conversation started here in Europe, and we finalized the deal in Brazil. Very interesting company, URMA, that we did not know in detail in the beginning, and was a very interesting surprise for us. What's surprised about this company, it's a very innovative company, very fast, understands the customers, listens to the customers and reacts fast, providing samples, giving fast answers to emails, phone. They are always available, and really a very joint group of, it's a big team, very interesting and very integrated with our team in Brazil. One very interesting example was a customer, an American company called Meritor. They are a big company, very demanding and very difficult to open doors there. We used URMA products to open the door there, making a crazy proposal for them that they did not believe that we could deliver. But due to the high quality of URMA products, we managed to exceed what we had offered. The test took quite a long time, but they were completely satisfied, and today we are a big supplier of them. I appreciate the cooperation and integration that we managed to do. We have a technical person in Brazil, so we have very fast answer to the customers. And at the same time, the quick connection with Europe, with the team here, very capable people, really proactive people, searching to help, searching to get the results. So we are a team together. And this is great to have when you have an alliance with such a company as URMA. It's a big pleasure for us to be here celebrating with URMA. Every time we come here, we get new insights, a very good new energy. We meet people, we feel the strong, good vibes that you have in the company, and this affects us very positively. And we saw a lot of new investments, new machines, new infrastructure, looking into the future. This gives us a lot of motivation.